Paragraph and character styles are really important tools to help efficient workflow. So a style is defined as a group of formatting attributes such as font, font size, color, and tracking that's applied to text. So a couple of key things with using these styles. I'm going to go ahead and open them under Window. This time we're going to look under the Styles section, and we can have different types of styles. We can have character styles and paragraph styles. We also can have object styles, table styles, and cell styles. I'm going to open up character styles. Character will open up with paragraph. They work together. So I can see both of them here, and I actually can drag them apart and I'll stack them instead so we can see them together. So why would I use styles? Number one, it saves time, and you'll see that here in a minute. I can define formats one at a time. It will keep my work consistent. They're easy to go back and update or modify if I need to at a later time. And I do need to make sure that I give them descriptive names. So let's look at the character styles. So character styles, similar to character panel, where it is styles for individual words or characters, and paragraph styles, again, similar to paragraph panel, where it's more of a global, apply a style to an entire paragraph. Now you can import both character styles and paragraph styles from other InDesign documents. So let's go ahead and create a style. So if I were to create a new character style, I can either use the Create New Style button at the bottom of my panel, or I can go to the drop down and do New Style. If I do the new character style from my menu, my options menu, it will open up the dialog box to let me start right away. If I click the new icon here, a lot of times it'll just list it, and then I'll have to double click to enter in and change those settings. So let's just give this a name. So I'm going to name this one Dishes. We're going to use this menu. Okay, so on this Dishes, that's what the name of the style will be. I can base it on another style if I so wish. I can then go through each one of these items on the left and specify the attributes that I'd like this style to have. So for instance, I can go to my font family and use the drop down menu. I could use something like, I'll find Impact. And the style, if I wanted to apply a style that came with a specific font. Now this font does not have any font style. Some might have a bold or an italic. I'm going to choose my size to be, let's do 14. And I'm going to choose my leading to be 16. And I can either type that in or use a predefined from my drop down. Okay, so I want to have a specific size and leading. If I don't want anything else here, I'll skip it. I can keep going on down. In the advanced character formats, I could choose a scale here. Let's just say I scale at 85, horizontal scale. Okay, and a character color, if I wanted to apply a color to this. I could, get into some of these alternate, more advanced features as well. So let's just say I'm good with that. I'm going to click OK, and here it is. Let me show you if I click the icon. See how it just makes a new style. In order for me to change that or adjust that, I would have to double click. Oops, double click. Double clicking on the name will let me rename it. Okay, and so again here, if I wanted to go and adjust this, I would double click, and I'm able to open it up. All right, so that's how I can define it, and I can go on and define many of them. Let me then just show you how to apply it. So if I wanted to apply this, I would select my text. Now character, remember, is dealing with words, characters, so I'm not doing a whole body copy typically with the character style. So with that selected, all I have to do is click on that style, and there it is. So again, I'm doing a triple click here to get this whole. Look how easy that is to then apply set attributes. I know it's all the same. I'm not, I'm saving a ton of time. I'm not selecting each one, and then going and changing all of those specific characteristics up there. Okay, so you get the idea how that can happen.